So welcome to this video. Now Hurricane Blanca has exploded overnight, and the storm has regained Category 4 intensity somehow, some way. The latest energy estimates, with the latest satellite estimates from SAB and TFB at 6.0 or 115 knots. Now is in agreement with the NHC estimate of 115 knots from the advisory earlier today. This hurricane's be. You can see it's hurt, even though there are some side signs of weakening. It appears to may have hit a temporary dry spot, but I think this hurricane's going to mix it out. The eye here has become, let me show on the cursor. The eye here has become a little bit warmer. It's probably reached the status it needs to Category 5 strength, but at this point, the Dvorak technique doesn't matter so much. What matters right now is what the Hurricane Hunter aircraft's flying on the ground. And the sea surface temperatures, they're gradually cooling on along the track. However, I would not get too worried until most of the storm. Deeper convection goes over to 26 the isotherm. And then when that happens, then I start to get a little worried. But until then, I think the storm it should be another 6 to 12 hours before it does. So until then, I expect continued intensification as once it get to around, even if the eyes are on 26C isotherm, that's fine. The other parts of the circulation are over colder water, and as such, at that temperature, it's hard to get instability going with such a sharp sea surface temperature gradient. It's also worth noting that these sea surface temperature estimates are a bit higher than what the ship is indicating. This is because these are updated daily, and the ships are updated weekly, and satellite estimates from Levi's site have confirmed that these sea surface temperatures on this graph are higher than what the ship is initializing. It was the same thing happened with Andres too. Overall, it's a pretty impressive hurricane. It actually was almost borderline scary from the perspective of Baja. Right now, the government of Mexico, I think, issued a hurricane watch for Santa Fe through Cabo San Lucas to La Paz, and they also have tropical watches a little bit further north, like Todos Santos, a little further north probably. Not as high as San Ignacio though. And even the Yankee track, which is probably, in my opinion, a little bit too far west. They bring us up here. They bring Blanca up here and start slowing down and making landfall as like a tropical storm or tropical depression. But I think this is a little bit too far west. We could see some easterly shifts. And it wouldn't surprise me if this hurricane router instead just made landfall up here. Storm sea surface temperatures are around 20 degrees C here, so that should promote quite a bit of weakening. But still, the outer rain bands are already starting to remain to southern Baja California Peninsula, and there's also some heavy rains going on along the west. There's also some heavy rains going on along the west coast of Mexico right now here. Those have the potential to produce life-threatening flash floods. I mean, interestingly enough, we're still uncertain how it's going to. GFS and the European keep this pretty intact near the Baja California Peninsula. However, I think they're overdoing this a little bit. I could be wrong, but as such, while I highly doubt this hurricane will be a major hurricane at landfall, I mean, I think there's still a chance the system's a low-end Cat 1, though I'm leaning more towards a tropical storm, and as such, interest in the Baja California Peninsula needs to monitor this very closely. Further north up here, once you get further north to like Malouge and that area, the storm will be weaker, moving a little bit slower, so life-threatening flash floods are a significant issue. And moisture in the storm can later make it up into Arizona, Nevada, right where I live, and Southern California, and maybe New Mexico. This should stay out of Texas, and that's good with all the recent flooding problems they've been having in Texas. But as of right now, this hurricane is very well formed. For the most part, the eye's clearing out. It's becoming more circular and very powerful. It's going to be very interesting with the aircraft. Fine, here's a visible look at it. You can see it's kind of evolved quite a bit over the past several hours. And that will wrap up this video. Bye.